What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, where I'll be showing you how to install a dash cam on a Subaru BRZ. Let's go. For today's install, we're running the Garmin Mini 3 dash cam paired with Dongar's dash cam power adapter. Now, unlike most installations, we don't even need to move the rearview mirror. Everything is happening right inside the plastic shroud seen here. So let's pop the trim cover off and get started. Once that's off, you'll find two Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove those. This loosens the shroud, but it's not fully free yet. Grab a pry tool and release the two tabs right here. Let me get you a close-up so you can see exactly where they are. You'll see the cover hanging at this point. You can't leave it like this, but I'm going to disconnect the wiring to make everything way easier to work with. Next up, let's find the connector we need. It's stuck right up in here. Gently pull the harness down and unplug the 3-pin connector. Now grab your Dongar power adapter. This end plugs into the vehicle's harness, and this end goes right into the factory connector. Zero cutting, zero splicing, love to see it. For the red and black cable, I'm going to fish it through the headliner and route it straight to the Dongar adapter. Peel the 3M backing off the USB module and stick it right here. With everything in place, let's clean up the wiring and reinstall the trim. I'll reconnect the harnesses first, then snap the panel back into place. Alright, vehicle's on. You should see a blue LED light up in the USB module, letting you know that the unit is receiving power. I'm using an electrostatic film here to protect the windshield on this car as it is tinted. If your windshield isn't, you can skip this step completely. With that installed, let's mount the dashcam on a clean spot behind the mirror, nice and stealthy. With the dashcam installed, let's turn the car back on and fire up our dashcam. If you see yellow lights like this, it means you're missing an SD card. I'm running this 128 gig micro SD card from Dongar, perfect for daily driving. Now download the Garmin Drive app, pair it to the Garmin Mini 3, and format the SD card. Once that's done, jump into live view to dial in your camera angle, and that's it. Clean install, no dangling wires, and you're good to go. So if you've been on the fence about getting a dash cam, this is your sign to check out Dongar Technologies. It's one of the smartest upgrades you can make to your car, and with installation this clean and simple, there's really no reason not to. And lastly, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button or subscribe for more clean installs. And drop a comment below if you're team dash cam. Until next time, peace.